Hello everyone. So if you're facing this issue while using OpenAI API, which is you try to access OpenAI chat completion, but this is no longer supported in OpenAI 1.0, then this video is for you. This issue is known as API removed in version 1 and it is caused due to usage of OpenAI chat completion. So if you can see the line number 12 here, we are using OpenAI chat completion, which is not the latest migrated code. So what we will be doing here is that we will be we will be replacing this with the latest migrated code. So I'm gonna create a new file, updated code.py, and the first thing you need to do is that you need to install OpenAI module. So if you have not done that already, please do pip install OpenAI. So I have written in the terminal pip install OpenAI, and you just need to click enter after that. So for me, the requirement has already been satisfied, so I don't have to do it. But if you have not done, please go ahead and do that first. Then I'm going to import my modules. So I'm going to import OS, OpenAI, and then I will create a client. Client will be OpenAI, and I will provide the API key. API key will be os dot environment dot get, and my environment variable is open AI API key. So open AI API key, and then I will create a chat completion. So chat completion object equals to client, and this is the latest version of that code. So client dot chat dot completions dot create. So this is where the issue was coming, and you need to provide the message which you want to give, or the prompt. So first you need to define the user, so the user role. So as is the user is client, so I'm just gonna write user. It can be system also, but as I'm user, I'll be having a role of user. And then content of prompt will be what is the, you can provide anything, capital of France. And I'll I'll use a model, so we need to provide a model, and model will be um, I'll be using GPT 3.5, so I'm using GPT 3.5 Turbo. So the thing is, right, you can use multiple models. If you want to get all the list of models, you can go here and see there are many models. If you go to OpenAI pricing, so you can see all the models here and the pricing. For example, GPT 4.40 is for $2.5 per million input tokens. So what you need to do is, if you want to use GPT 4.0, you just need to go here and replace the model with that. But as I'm going to use GPT 3.5 Turbo, as is the most fundamental and basic one. And I will catch a response. So response will be response. I'll just do response message to be more specific. Chat completion dot choices message content, and I'll just print the response message. So this is the latest code, and I'm going to run this code and see if that works. It's working fine. The capital of France is Paris, and it's working fine. So this is how you use OpenAI API with the latest migrated code. If you have any questions, any doubts, please let me know. And this is done. So thanks you for your time, and please do like, share, and subscribe this video. Have a great day.